Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Today we're doing a video collaboration with an awesome YouTube channel by the name of Chef and Mo. Chef and Mo is going to do up something real nice over there on their YouTube channel. I want you guys to please go over there and check out Chef and Mo, see exactly what they're doing. If you happen to go over there before the ending of this here video, come on back because I want to show you something special at the end of this here video, and I'm thinking you guys will definitely love this here collaboration. I've never done a collaboration like this before ever on YouTube, so this is definitely a first. Now, before we get into the video, let me just show you a little bit of something that I tried to whip up today to go with this special surprise. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're going to do some plain old fried chicken. So these are the seasonings right here. Some lemon pepper, some garlic and herb seasoning, Spain spices, some chicken seasoning, some cayenne pepper, onion powder, some garlic powder, black pepper, and some parsley flakes. Y'all know what we're about to do? We're going to eat good. I'm telling you. Don't go nowhere. You better not go nowhere. If you do, you're going to miss it. So what we're going to do now is take all of our ingredients that we just showed you and just put it all over these here chicken wings. Now, once you got the chicken wings all smothered in those daggone seasonings, go ahead and start rubbing stuff in, y'all. Okay, YouTube, now since you've been waiting, now let me tell you the surprise that I got. Now, if you went over there and you checked out Chef and Mo's video, which I hope that you guys go over there and check out their video, they did a southern biscuit, then they did a cinnamon raisin biscuit, and they did a cheddar biscuit recipe. All 3 biscuits into one video. Now, let me share this with you right quick. Those same videos, the same biscuits that's in that video that she perfected, guess what? They're right here. Yes, the biscuits are right here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do for you guys, I'm going to go ahead, man, and I'm going to warm these babies up, and we're going to do a show enough taste test of her recipe, because these are the actual biscuits that she cooked. Let's get into it. So I'll be back once I hit these things and warm them up.
Wait a minute. Somebody living foul. Somebody living. What? Get off of them. Get off of them. Tommy takes one of them. Them my mama biscuit. Them my mama biscuit. Yes. Yes.
Welcome back to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. All right, look, y'all, check this out. I got the biscuits warmed up, and she gave instructions on the container of how to heat these up. So I followed her instructions, and she gave a little icing to put on that cinnamon raisin as well. Yes, Lord. And it tastes so good. I did put my little finger in that and see how that went. So let's go ahead and try these biscuits out. I know what that one is. Yes, Lord, that's that cinnamon raisin. And it smells good. Okay. That's the cheddar biscuit. And that's the southern biscuit right there. So the first one I'm going to taste is the southern biscuit, because I did fry me some chicken up, and this southern biscuit is going to go well with my chicken wings, and I'm gonna put some honey on this, but I just want to taste it right now without anything. All right, so let's go ahead, taste this here biscuit. I just want to get a nibble. Now, she did pack in here 2 of each, but my wife ended up eating 1, and I did have some people over where we ate some wings, and I did let them taste the other biscuits, hands down. All right, but I'm gonna give you my opinion right here. All right. So I'm gonna taste the southern biscuit. But before I taste it, let me see if I can get you guys to look at it. You know what I'm saying? Because you can go to her channel, you know what I mean? And you probably can get a better, I don't know if you can see it. Can you? Might be too bright. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But if you want to see how these biscuits came out, please go over there to Chef and Mo and check her channel out. Taste it. Okay. Hey, that southern biscuit. Hey, that's good. Ooh, it's still soft. Thumbs up on that southern biscuit. Thumbs up. I don't want to try that one yet. So let's try the cheddar cheese. Like I say, go to Chef and Mo's, Chef and More channel. Cheddar cheese looking good. I don't know if you can see it, but bam, there it is. Bam, there it is. That's that biscuit. Let's try it. Let me give me some eggs on that with some bacon. Yeah, that's a thumbs up. Don't act like y'all don't be turning up no 2 liter, but those biscuits good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I freaked that cheddar cheese up with some pinto beans. I'm not even gonna lie. Pinto beans and fatback. Give me some of that there. Now this is the one that I want to try. Oh yes, Lord. A homemade cinnamon raisin biscuit. And it smells so good. And I'm gonna dip it in this here cream. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know if the camera can give y'all a glimpse of that biscuit right there. Yes, Lord. I'm about to do something wicked. I done spilled it all in the daggone plate. That'll be enough just to sop it up with. Sop it up. Get it in there, Ray. Mm-hmm. Oh, she get 2 thumbs up. Man, Lord have mercy. Chef and Mo, y'all did that. Chef Mo, you did that. All right. I said Chef and Mo, but the channel is called Chef and More. All right. So go over there and check out Chef and Mo. And give these biscuits a try, bro. I'm telling you. She sent these things overnight. And they still banging. I'm going over there for that recipe for that cinnamon raisin biscuit because that sucker was delicious. I'm gonna bust that one upside the head right there. But for my chicken wings, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that southern biscuit off. Both of these cheddar biscuits off. I'm finna tear some biscuits up. So thank y'all so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please go over there and check out Chef and More. Please tell them that Ray Mack sent you. Please also show them some love by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. I want to say thank you guys, man. I love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace. Thank you so much for watching this here video. Please subscribe for more videos by clicking on my picture. All right. Also, watch these suggested videos as well. Give this video a thumbs up and please leave a comment below. Do me a favor, love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.